A spark of hope for our ginger friend. It's a beautiful angle that allows for both his hardship and the potential for a brighter future. The ginger ghost of Pridelands. The noonday sun beat down on the Pridelands construction site, baking the ochre earth to a dust that clung to everything. Amidst the clang of hammers and the rumble of distant machinery, a small, vibrant splash of color moved with the stealth of a shadow. He was a ginger Tom, a flash of marmalade against the industrial gray. His fur matted and dull, bearing the unmistakable marks of a hard life. A jagged scratch, fresh and angry, bisected his nose, a testament to a recent skirmish or perhaps a misstep near a tumbling pile of rebar. Flies, brazen and persistent, buzzed around him, drawn to the sticky residue of his wounds and the unwelcome presence of ticks that clung like dark beads to his ears and neck. He was a ghost in this landscape of concrete and steel, unseen by most, unheard save for the occasional, desperate rustle in the debris. He moved with an almost primal instinct, his gaunt frame propelled by the constant, gnawing hunger. He'd learned the rhythms of the site, the lunch breaks when scraps might fall, the quiet lulls when he could dart from one precarious shelter to another. He was a survivor, yes, but deep within his amber eyes, beneath the weariness and the ever-present wariness, there was a flicker, a tiny, fragile spark of curiosity, a whisper of a longing for something more than just the next meal. He watched the humans, these giants who shaped the world with their machines, and though he kept his distance, a part of him wondered if their world held any warmth for a creature like him. What happens next? Do you notice him? Does he approach you? Let's build the moment where that spark of hope begins to glow a little brighter.